In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage time off and vacation requests in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable way to track requests, approvals, and schedules right inside your workspace. First, open your ClickUp account and sign into your workspace. Make sure you're in the space and folder where you want to manage time off. Now, find the specific list you'll use for requests. This might be an HR or operations list, or a dedicated area you've already created. Hover your cursor over that list name in the sidebar so the quick actions appear. Next, click the three dots, also known as the ellipsis menu, to open the list options. From this menu, select Templates. This is where you can bring in pre-built structures to save time and ensure consistency. Inside the Templates window, click Browse Template. In the search bar, type Time Off. You'll see a template designed for tracking vacations, sick days, and other leave types. Click the Time Off template to open its details, take a quick look at what's included, and then click Use Template to add it to your list. ClickUp will apply the structure for you, so there's no need to build anything from scratch. Once the template is added, rename it to match how your team talks about time away, something like Team Time Off or Vacation and Leave Requests. Clear naming helps everyone find and use it correctly. From here, feel free to customize everything so it fits your process. Adjust the statuses to match your approval flow. Common ones include submitted, in review, approved, and declined. Edit or add custom fields to capture what matters to you, such as start and end dates, total days, type of leave, and any notes. If the template includes views like list or calendar, tailor them to your preference. For example, a calendar view makes it easy to spot overlaps, while a list view helps you filter by status or department. You can also refine task layouts to highlight critical info at a glance. Reorder fields, set default assignees for approvals, and color code statuses to increase clarity. If your team prefers a specific naming format for requests, like time off, employee, start date, set that expectation in the description so submissions are consistent. Before rolling it out widely, add a sample request to confirm the fields and statuses behave as expected. When everything looks right, share quick guidance with your team on how to submit and track their requests. With the template in place and customized, you'll have a reliable, transparent system for managing time off in ClickUp.